When the letters C and H are combined, they produce three different sounds: ch, k, and sh. There are no fixed rules on where to use which sound because a number of words in English are derived from French, German, Greek, and Latin origin. That's why they are used as it is. But most commonly, the sound ch is in use. For example, cheese, chocolate, teacher, couch. Now we'll see some words with the sound k: chaos, stomach, school, character. And finally, the words with the sound sh: machine, shave, parachute, Chicago. Now it's your turn to tell me some words of CH and which sound they produce. See ya!